Okay, so this is an Acer AN515 laptop, and when you turn the power on, the screen doesn't turn on. But when you're rectified, the first thing you want to do is test it with a different power supply, sorry, a different screen. And that would be the first thing you want to do, really. But really, what you really want to do is connect it to an external display, like your TV for HDMI. And if that turns, and if you get a display, then that means it must be something to do with the output, not the input display. So that could be either the screen or the cable. So I test it with a different screen and it's fine. It's the same thing again. So that must mean something to do with the cable. If we look at the cable, it's actually ripped. The zoom in is actually ripped there. So that's the first major clue. So what you want to do then, you want to take the old cable out. And I've ordered a new one here, which I've already have put in. When I realised I best make a video about it. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So obviously you can see you've got the screen taken out already, but I'm going to take the bezel out, the screws, and everything else, because you need to take the flat cable from the back of the screen and put the new one in. So I'm going to put the new one in now to the screen. So show you how to do that. So you can see that there. Take the sticker off. Adhesive sticker. So let's put that in first. So you want to be very careful and not pull the flex, so that it might, or the tape that it might pull. So you want to put the screws back in. Put the brackets over. This is on this particular model, but in terms of the brackets, but solving the problem is the same on every laptop. Put the webcam in. Webcam cable. You'll have to do this on every laptop, to be honest, where the webcam connector is diverted in between the LCD cable and the on this webcam cable, so within the same lead. So I think that one's in now anyway. Yeah, so that one is putting around here, but I'm not going to show that. Just one more. The left bracket I have to put in now. bottom right bracket. Wrong screw, give me a second. That's it. It can be a bit tricky putting the brackets in when you've got to think about the LCD cable at the back of it, because it can get squeezed and it won't, when it's squeezed the display won't come through properly. The back on, put the other end, plug that into the motherboard. Okay, so this part now, the other end, the computer. Also, what you want to do is you want to, already done that there, already done it on this one. The other end, you're going to plug this. This at the other end, you want to plug the other end of the LCD cable into here, and that's it, you're good to go. This is on the AN515, but they're all pretty much similar. They have a flat cable on the back of the screen, and this one you've got to just basically more or less you've got to plug. It's like a plug it into the motherboard there, and also on this particular laptop you've got the drive. The hard drive is actually Windows is actually installed on what's called an M2 drive here, which connects directly to the motherboard, meaning it's the fastest, most accessible drive you can get, because it's obviously better than the hard disk, conventional hard disk, but it's also better than the solid state drives, because SATA is a slower data transformation technology type, and with this being directly connected to the motherboard, it means it's a whole lot more faster, probably more than 10 times faster than, a lot more than 10 times faster than, well, 10 times faster than probably the SSD drives, and much more than that to a hard disk, conventional hard disk drive. So plug that in there. Make sure that's in, and then press that in. Now, attempt turning this on, now plugging this battery in. Try turning, if I plug this in and turn it on. So if I turn this on now, as you can see there, I get a display on this laptop. So this shows you that the LCD cable is definitely a culprit there, and as the clues told us, a process of elimination directed us to. And thank you. Hope this has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Keep posted for more videos, and feel free to buy me coffee or donate, what have you. Really helps me get these videos out to people of all sorts of problems. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.